Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rupali and today we're gonna learn about how to pass arguments to main method from command line. So let's get started. We will create a very basic program in a notepad. So I will create my class, public class, pass uh, command arguments, and inside this class I will create my public static void main method and I will pass string arguments here from command line. Okay, so as you know that this args, so this variable or a type of variable takes the arguments from command line. Okay, so what we need is we will need to create a for loop. So for each element even from args array I want to print it, so I will write system dot out dot print ln and I will print even. Okay, so this is my program. I will save it with the name of my class file. Okay, so .java. Don't forget to save it with the Java extension, otherwise it will be stored as a normal text file. And I will minimize it. Now we have to open our command line. Since I have saved it into the documents folder, I will have to change it to documents. Now we will compile our Java file. So javac, name of the file .java. So it is successfully compiled. Now we will run it. So java, name of the file. Now here we will not write .java. You know that when we execute our Java file, we do not use its extension. But since we have to pass our arguments here, we will write the arguments here only. Okay, suppose I want to pass the suppose I have to pass the colors, so I will write green, red, blue, orange, and I will press enter. Now can you see that the arguments that we passed here while executing a file, it got printed on our command prompt. So this is the way how we pass arguments from command line to the main method. Now if you want to run our program without passing anything, it will still run, it will not give us any error. Okay, but it will not show you anything because we are printing the thing that we are passing from the command line, and here we are not passing anything. Okay, one more thing here to notice that it is one of the rare case where we pass a string without inverted commas in Java. Okay, otherwise whenever you have to pass any string, you have to write into double quotes. But here we can pass it as it is. Okay, now suppose I want to pass my name, okay, or 123, so it will take everything as a string type and it will not give us any error, it will print whatever we are typing here. Okay, see, so in this way you can type anything, you can pass any of the arguments that you want. Okay, if you want you can just do a simple sentence as well. This is an example. See, it got printed. So this is how we pass arguments from the main method. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below if you have any suggestions for me or if you like my video. Thank you.